Hi, I'm Cassie Sobelton, and this is my Organifi story. I heard about FitLife when I met Drew Canole, and the thing that really drew me to Drew and FitLife was the idea that it wasn't just about juicing. It was about mind, body, spirit integration, the bigger picture of holistic health. And this is exactly what I'm passionate about in the way I live my life. The FitLife community has definitely made a difference in my work. FitLife is very good at giving integrated tools to its members. So for example, detoxing. In the society we live in, the foods that we eat, what we drink, and most importantly, what we put in our mind, we have to take that time to detox. It's very important, and those are the types of things that will change the world. And this is my mission as well. You know, I really don't have an average day. At 5 a.m., my alarm clock goes off and the craziness begins. I'm out of there. I could easily have a TV appearance, I could have speaking engagements, I could have a black tie event at the end of the day. But really what's most important for me to focus on is keeping my balance. So in the middle of the day, I have to take a step back and figure out, do I take a walk in the park? Do I find somewhere to get something healthy to drink, possibly making my own? Spending some time with family and friends, just being able to take a step back and maybe meditating for a few minutes, even if that's in public. But what's most important to me is in the midst of that hectic lifestyle, being able to bring myself back to balance and really feed my soul. The best thing any of us can do is start our day out right. And that's why I start my day out with water, lots and lots of water. So when we sleep, we actually go into repair mode and we start detoxing. And so drinking a ton of water first thing in the morning allows us to flush those toxins. Once that's out of the way, I can get on with things. And then I move on to my yoga and my meditation, which are very important to me. From there, I go back to the different types of detoxing. That includes jumping on a rebounder for a little while, and a rebounder is just a small trampoline, but it allows my lymph system to get moving. The lymph system is very important to help remove toxins, and I focus on that in the morning. That includes also getting into a sauna. Having the sauna warm me up with this extreme heat, and then I jump from there to a cold shower or a cold bath. And that shocks the system, again, the lymph system, so it removes those toxins. But it also does something really great for our mind. It takes me from a place of extreme heat to extreme cold. And really, at the end of the day, that's what we're dealing with all the time, is moving between extreme situations with grace and ease. So from there, I'll make my way up to my kitchen, and I will start refilling my body with healthy probiotics. And that could be different types of kimchi or sauerkraut or just a plain probiotic. And then a healthy breakfast, and I'm all set, I'm ready to go and just knock the day out. My goal is to bring knowledge to the population that supports healthy living. I've spent a decade studying holistic nutrition, different types of spirituality, mind, body, spirit integration. And I think it's time for society to just rip the Band-Aid off and get to the root of the problem. So I really want to see people learning meditation rather than taking medications, counting more chemicals than they might be counting calories. It's time for people to understand that these are the things that are important in life, and they're things that will bring about healing. And healing is what we're all about. My life has changed dramatically since adopting a nutritious, healthy lifestyle. Back in my 20s, I was that average American. I was eating chips and dip and fries and burgers and just a whole lot of nonsense. That, coupled with no exercise, not moving my body properly, and absolutely no attention to my spiritual practice, landed me in the hospital. I had severe Crohn's disease, and after 21 days, losing the majority of my colon and a huge amount of my small intestines, I was sent home and given more pills to take on a daily basis than I could count. It's then that I had this epiphany. I started to realize that a transformation needed to happen in my life, and I took immediate action. I started studying and researching and trying to find out what it was that could heal me. And I found out that food was a huge part of that. Whatever we're putting in our body is either helping us or it's harming us. And it's time that we all start understanding that we need to use food as medicine. I absolutely have access to some of the best ingredients out there. My medicine cabinet is stocked with the best organic supplements, vitamins, herbs. But the thing is, that takes a lot of time. And to be able to have a product like Organifi, where it's just one scoop in water, down it, on my way, that's a game changer. To have to stock my fridge with beets and different types of greens, and then juice it, and then clean the juicer, I just don't have time for that every morning. So to be able to have something like Organifi that helps me with fighting stress, it has the B vitamins, it has anti-inflammatory, it has all the properties and nutrients I need to live a busy, on-the-go lifestyle, that changes everything for me, and that's exactly why I use this product. I would absolutely recommend Organifi. The thing that I love about it, especially for beginners, is that it tastes great and it allows people to get these great nutrients in their body, which they're probably not getting on a daily basis, let alone weekly or monthly. So I encourage people to try this product, to stock this product, and to use it every single day. I can see Organifi helping a lot of people. Not everybody has access to farms or fresh produce or different types of markets that might carry those things. So to be able to stock it in your house and have Organifi readily available is a game changer to people who aren't getting the nutrition that they might need every single day or the energy that comes along with it. I admire Drew Canole for a lot of reasons. Mostly, the way he encourages people, the way he is so down to earth and relatable to everybody that follows him. As well, he's so truly passionate about what he does and helping people change. That transformation piece he's so good at, and it really allows who he is and what he's doing it for shine through.